Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, how you doing? What's good? I hope that you subscribe to my channel and all that jazz. So in today's video, we're going to be playing around with the Kourt x Kylie Cosmetics collab. This is the green palette. It has such pretty shades. So, yep, without further ado, let's get right on into this look, honey. I am going to not use this green shade, obviously, today because I feel like when I reviewed this palette, I used this green shade in the look and it wasn't all that. But if you do want to check out the review that I did on the Kourt green palette, Kourt times Kylie Cosmetics green palette, I will link that up in the cards above me and also down in the description box below. But yeah, I'm just gonna basically stick with these tones. These tones right here. So first I am taking my Morphe 441 M441 brush and I'm going to pack the red in my crease and be very careful because this is a very powdery palette in general, but this red has a lot of kickback. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just like, I've cleaned most of it, but it's actually called a pressed powder palette. I'm assuming because whatever ingredient she has in here is not eye safe. Now that I have finished placing the red shade, which is actually called Mace, now that I've finished packing that on the eye, I'm going to switch over to a different blending brush. I'm taking the Morphe M535 flat blending brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges. Now dipping into this shade called Slob Kebab right here. It's a taupey color. I'm going to dip my brush into that and go over the edges. Now switching back to my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to repack some more red in the crease, just in case I lost any pigment. Now taking this little pencil brush that came in my Dose of Color Snow Angels palette, I'm dipping back into Mace, which is the red color, and I'm gonna go underneath my waterline with it. Now I'm going to pinch my Morphe M441 brush and I'm just going to slightly fan where I just placed that red. Alrighty, now this shade, I think it's called Heartless. This is like a shimmery silver shade. I'm going to take a little bit of that and put that on my inner corner of my eye. Okay, so basically the eye look is complete. I am going to put on mascara. I'm using this NYX Worth the Hype mascara today. I'm also going to put this Urban Decay 24/7 Glider on eye pencil in the shade Midnight Cowboy on my waterline. And then I'm going to pop on the Ardell Faux Mink Wispy lashes. And here is the lash. I'll be back after I do all of that. Okay guys, so this is all for this look. Finally, it's just a pretty red Christmas-y, holiday-y look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me comments. What's your favorite look so far? Also, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And as always, I'll see you next video.